Hey guys, welcome back to our Discord.js tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a member counter channel with MongoDB because this is going to be multi-guild. So it enables other guild owners to use the command and set a member counter channel. So we're going to use MongoDB as our database. If you don't know what MongoDB is or you haven't set it up, you should see a video pop up on the top right of your screen. So click on that. Other than that, yeah, let's get started. Alright, so you're in VS Code. Just create a model. So I'm just gonna name this what can I name this? Member count.js. And I'm gonna require a schema and model from Mongoose. I'm gonna export it. Model, name this member count, new schema, guild string, channel string, and then member string. Okay, so this is the schema. Next we're gonna create a command. So let me just go to utils and then we can create a command called create channel.js. And I'm gonna use the template. And I'm gonna require the schema that we created earlier. So const schema was require // models / member count. And here I'm going to name this command create channel. Of course, you can name it whatever you want. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check if the member has permissions. The permissions .has administrator return. Alright. And then the next thing we can do, we can search for the data. So we can do schema.find1 guild message.guild ID and then async error data. If there is data, you just go to data to delete so you don't make extra data. And then we can do const channel because await message.guild.channels.create and then you're gonna pass in the name member and then do message.guild.member count. And then you're gonna pass in options. So let me just format the code. Just add a comma here. Add an object type will be a voice, and then we're gonna set permission overrides to not allow people to join the voice channel, so it looks like it's a locked channel. So you see what I mean in a minute. So let me just do permission overrides, and then object ID will be message.guild ID, comma deny. And then you're gonna pass in connect, so you're not gonna allow people to connect to the channel. So once the channel is created, we're gonna save a new data. So guild will be message.guild.id, channel will be channel.id, and then member will be message.guild.member count. And then make sure to add a .save here to actually save the data. Alright, so that's done. And then we can go to our ready event. So just head on to events and then ready. So in here, we're gonna wrap everything in a set interval function. Okay, and then we're gonna require a package called ms. If you don't have ms already, just go to your terminal and then just do npm I ms or yarn ms, whatever you want. Okay, and then we're gonna require our schema as well. Schema equals require, and then dot slash models slash member count. Alright, so in set interval, we're just gonna search for all of the data, and then we're gonna schema.find .then data. Okay, and then if there is no data, so this is basically filtering out if there is no data length return. Okay, if there's no data, we're just gonna ignore it, and then data for each value, and then we can do a const guild, and then we're going to get the guild by doing client.guilds hatch.get, and then value.guild, and then to get the member count we can do const member count. We're gonna make it variable because we're gonna use it several times, so we can just do guild.member count. Okay, next we're gonna check if the value differs, if the member count differs from the database member count by doing if value.member is not equals. So make sure there's only a equal because we're not type checking. And then we're gonna do member count in here. Okay, and then we're gonna console log the member count differs, so we know that this code is actually ran. Alright, and then we can do const channel equals to guild.channels.hatch.get, and then value.channel, and then we can do channel.set name, and then we're gonna pass in the name, which is members, and then you're gonna pass in the member count in here. Perfect. And then we're gonna save the new data, so you're gonna update the existing database member count by doing value.member equals to member count, and then a value.save. So that should be it. Oh, one more thing, we need to add a time. So in here, add a comma. So here's the thing, there's something called rate limits. So to prevent your bot from getting rate limit, I would suggest you to put this 10 minutes, or to keep your bot safe, I must suggest you to make it 50 minutes. So if you want a bot to be safe, you don't have to worry about anything, just make this 50 minutes. So for testing purposes, I'm not gonna wait for 50 minutes for this to run. So I'm gonna just put 5 seconds for now. But make sure you have it higher than 10 minutes so that your bot won't get rate limited. Alright, so we're gonna start the bot. No dot. Okay. Now the bot is on, we can run the command create channel. You guys can see here there is 4 members. Alright. And then if I go to my if I kick my alt account, okay, and then we wait for the logs, as you can see here, it actually says the member count differs, and as you can see here, the member count changes from 4 to 3. So this check, this if statement basically prevents it from setting it changing the member count whenever unnecessary. So this if statement, yeah, it protects it from the rate limits. And then we can, if I alt account rejoin the server, so let me just rejoin the server, and it should change the count to 4 members. As you can see here, it changes the count to 4 members. So this is the log that I'm talking about. As you can see here, it looks pretty cool. It just like logs, and then is the data over here. So that should conclude today's video on the multi-guild member counter channel. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, really helps the channel out. If you face any errors, make sure to join the support server, because I can't really help in the comment section. Let me just turn this off. Alright, so just join the Discord server, links will be in the description. Other than that, have a nice day, see you again in the next video, bye!